is Tom, and welcome back to my channel where I make videos that help you empower your higher self and manifest your dream reality. So I'm still continuing with my 100% donation-based coaching due to these unprecedented times, something I felt inspired to do. So if you'd like to have a coaching session that's donation-based, just head to the link below and I would be honored to work with you. So in this video, I'm going to give you a powerful message of hope. It's a message of hope for all manifestors. No matter where you find yourself along the manifestation path towards seeing your desire come to life, this is a message for you. And it's going to ground you back in that sense of love, faith, and inspiration that you can have the life you want. And within yourself, you can feel the way you want to feel, happy, joyful, and at peace. And so if you're manifesting a relationship or a career goal or a sense of spiritual unfoldment and attainment, whatever it is that's in your heart that you want to create, I'm here to tell you that if you're experiencing inner challenges and emotional turmoil or external challenges, negative evidence, whatever the case may be, it's completely positive. It's actually the greatest possible gift that you could be given, as hard as it is to see that in the moment. And the reason that is because the universe is a benevolent place and actually very much wants you to experience the joyful life of your dreams in all ways. It's a benevolent universe. And enlightened masters like Dr. David R. Hawkins talk about the universe or reality being this infinite field. And this is an infinite field of divine love and intelligence. And the field itself, or this source consciousness that we are all sparks of, we're all those individuated expressions of this divine loving source. But that source accounts for absolutely everything. Every hair on a person's head, as Dr. David R. Hawkins says, is accounted for. Nothing goes overlooked. And this means that every single thing that pops up in your life is for a divine purpose, is for your highest good, for the greatest unfolding of your most perfect and satisfying life. That's simply the truth of how the universe really works. So you can take that truth and then apply that perspective as a new lens that you can look at your life through. A positive new lens, an empowering new lens. And that's your free will to see life in that loving and empowering light. And I also want to say that you don't attract in challenges or tests because you're manifesting poorly. In fact, I would say that these challenges and tests are a natural part of life. Because in my eyes, manifestation is equal parts an outer transformation as well as an inner transformation. It's no use manifesting an amazing desire and dream life if within ourselves we don't feel worthy of it, or we don't feel we love ourselves, we don't feel we deserve to be happy, we don't feel we can handle our dream life. So that's what's happening, is that we are being transformed into our highest expression so that when our desire and dream life does manifest, we truly are able to match with it at a soul level. Because within ourselves we've been vibrating as that truth. And we only get to vibrate as that truth of our dream reality and highest destiny when we are tested and challenged. And through those tests and challenges, we are catalyzed into the true embodiment of our highest expression. So you're not a poor manifestor if you're attracting in these challenges. In fact, you're a fabulous manifestor. This is incredible. This is a beautiful opportunity for you to grow. And in fact, it's your destiny to grow out of these in positive ways, to align, heal, and integrate within yourself. And in just knowing that it's okay to experience these challenges, that's what elevates you up out of them. That's what allows you to love yourself through them. That's what allows you to surrender and trust in the divine unfolding of the universe through you towards your dream reality. Life is a spiritual journey. It's the process of evolution of the soul. It's the expansion of consciousness. All of this is interwoven with manifestation. That's the reason why you have that delightful desire, just almost flowing out of you, being so excitedly driven, this energy to express itself in that way, to realize your desire. All of that is in place because that's your soul's way of expressing itself in its most unique and beautiful ways. So in this process, you will attract these challenges, and that's okay. So don't react to the storm, the inner and outer storm, as best as you can. Be grounded in this truth, that everything is unfolding perfectly for you. Everything is working out. It always is. It only can. As you allow yourself to believe this, your heart stays open. When your heart stays open, you're still allowing the universe to surprise you, to reward you. And you allow yourself with an open heart to anchor in the new positive frequencies, beliefs, emotions, and states of being of your dream reality. With an open heart, you get to live in the end. So when you're challenged, stay open. And as you stay open in your heart, you simultaneously allow life to be. And sometimes this means just feeling deeply the emotions that are arising, the reactions you're having to whatever you're perceiving, whatever you're going through. Allowing that to be as it is key. Because in that allowance, you're really offering your love to what is. You're really acknowledging that whatever inner darkness or external darkness you're witnessing, by allowing it to be, by allowing life to exist as it is, you're basically validating those darker parts. And thus you're acting as a gateway for those darker parts to enter into the light that you are through your open heart. And above and beyond that, trust that it will all pass. Of course it will. The negative evidence will just work itself out. And then all of a sudden your desire will manifest. The inner state of emotional turmoil, of stress, of fear, of anger, of doubt, of anxiety, that wave will pass. And in its place will be alignment. And once again, from this vantage point of alignment, your life will just effortlessly take care of itself towards what it is you want. That's how this works. And that's the purpose of this video, is to ground you in this truth that your life has divine meaning, that the universe is benevolent, and that everything that's showing up in your life has a purpose. So ask, what is this purpose? What am I being asked to learn and embody within myself? And in that state of inner reflection, healing, integration, and alignment, you'll extract that beneficial lesson, and you will swiftly accelerate out of this current challenge and into the new territory of absolute beauty and positivity in your life. And this is, of course, where your desire crystallizes into your 3D world and it manifests. I hope this message and hope gives you hope. I hope it empowers you to trust in the universe and to know that what it is you want is perfectly coming to you, and it will at the perfect time. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and if you'd like to have the one-on-one donation-based coaching session with me, just head to the link down below, and I hope to have a session with you soon. Thank you.